Welcome to the Central Post. This is Samiksha Ajay. Last night in Dubai, India hammered Pakistan by 6 wickets, chasing 172 like it was a warm-up drill. Our straight 9th T20I win. It's now 9-0. Pakistan might want to redefine rivalry in their playbook, but the runs were just half of the story. The real spark? Taunts, gestures, and snub that turned cricket's biggest clash into a tense spectacle. Let's dive into the top fairy moments that gripped every fan out there. Firstly, the toss chill. Captain Suryakumar Yadav wins, elects to bowl, and blanks Pakistan's Salman Ali Agha. No handshake, no glance. Second match running, appointed no to the Pahalgam terror attacks fall out. India's stance? Play hard, but principles first. Fans on X are loving Surya's white steel. Secondly, it's Harish Rauf's boundary breakdown. Indian fans chant Kohli, Kohli. Rauf cracks, flashing 6-0 fingers and mimicking planes plunging, mocking Pakistan's debunked fake claims of Rafale jets from Operation Sindoor. What was he even thinking? Cricket pitch or a conspiracy convention? Hands diving like doomed jets? Pathetic stunt, straight from a debunked playbook. BJP leader branded it national insult. Vadodara people burned posters and X ignited with thousands of #RaufJester posts. Thirdly, it's Pakistan's AK-47 antics. After reaching 50, Shahid-Zada Farhan minds firing an AK-47 with his bat, joined by Shaheen Afridi and Rauf after wickets. Celebration, they call it, especially after Pahalgam scars, where 26 civilians were brutally killed after asking religion. Ex-cricketer Amit Mishra calls it cheap theatrics. And Indian fans outraged, calling for ACC fines. The next is the sledging storm. Shaheen Afridi smashed for 6 of ball 1, sling insults at Abhishek Sharma. Rauf piles on with mid-over abuses. Heat explodes. Abhishek shouts back defiantly, eyes locked. Shubman Gill jumps in, roaring sharp retorts. Brought to Indian stars, expect a fierce backlash. Umpires intervene as birds fly like Yorkers. And then Abhishek's boundaries come back. Channeling the fire, he blasts a 24-ball 50. 74 of 39 was his total score. Fastest Indian T20I versus Pakistan. Caps it with a flying kiss to the bowlers. Tilak Verma's 30, not out, and Gill's 47 seal the chase. Pakistan's 171 of 8 wickets. Farhan's pretty 58 fades fast. Now finally, it's the post-match freeze. No handshake with Pakistan. India handshakes only with the umpires. Hurdles up and strikes off. And Pakistan left standing like an afterthought. But you know what's the mic drop moment? Suryakumar's post-match presser zinger. When he was asked by the reporters that what to think about India-Pakistan rivalry, he said this isn't rivalry anymore. You should not call it rivalry. Rivalry is when it's close like 9-8, 5-6, but 9-0, 9-1, whatever it is, it's not a contest. He said that. Brutal. Surya's burying the hype under India's sheer superiority. Pakistan's crashed to 171 of 8 wickets on Farhan's luck-fueled 58 and our 5 drops. The way his cutters strangled the middle and India's reply. Ruthless. 9.23 runs per over. Pure command amidst the chaos. India's triumph was emphatic, but off-screen ages revealed cricket's thin line. Rauf's plain farce and AK-14 poses weren't witty. They jabbed at real bulls. Abhishek and Shubman's fire proved India's grit, but Surya's words felt home when he said this is not what you call rivalry. As yesterday wasn't just a mere victory, it was a statement of skill, solidarity, and standing firm. India will face Sri Lanka on Wednesday. Stay tuned to the Central Post for further updates.